Hello and welcome to today's Ignite Your Influence on Social Marketing session. And I'm curious, do you ever run out of content ideas? Okay, I'm sure you do. And you probably are sitting there like, oh, what do I post today? What kind of content should I put out there? I don't even know what my video topics should be or what my theme should be for the week. So I want to share with you some really simple ways to find new content ideas all of the time so you never run out of them. Okay. Now I will say that the very first thing that I'm going to share with you is something that I believe truly we as entrepreneurs, as small business owners, if you are doing your own marketing, you should do anyways, because it's going to relieve a lot of overwhelm, a lot of stress, and it's really magical. But before I get into it, if we haven't met before, my name is Gina Tassinelli. I am the CEO of Hype Media, a social media marketing agency, and the founder and creator at Stylishly Branded. And together with my team, we work with established small business owners, experts, and thought leaders to help you leverage social media so that you can get more sales. Bottom line, that's what we do, just getting straight to the point. And so we have been doing this for now a little bit over 14 years. So believe me, anything that I share with you during these calls, during these trainings, I have tried and tested on my own. And I want you to fast track what you are doing so you don't make the same mistakes that I did in the very beginning of trying to really show up with influence and make a difference and a bigger impact in my business, but also in my clients' lives. So if we haven't met before, hello. And if you are watching this on the replay, don't be shy. Make sure to drop any questions down below. I will come back and I'll answer all of your questions. And let's jump right in. So my first top strategy out of all of this so that you never run out of content ideas is actually pretty easy. Here's what you do. You take a piece of content, better if it's a long form content. So we're talking about maybe a blog post or even a 10 to 15 minute long video, and you repurpose it into different ways. So let me give you an idea. So for example, this video right now is going to be repurposed into a blog post. We are also going to use a lot of the content that I'm saying, communicating verbally, to put into email. And we are going to chop probably like just the main tips that I'm sharing with you today into 60 to 90 seconds video. And that is right there. I've got tons of other content, right? The other thing that we can do is we can take some of the things that I say, so those golden nuggets, maybe it's a one-liner, a quote that I say, and we put that text on an image quote or an image inside of Canva to just put the quote on top. Very easy peasy. So you don't have to create new content all of the time. This also, repurposing content like this also allows you to really keep your brand message cohesive, so you're not all over the place and people aren't wondering, what is this person talking about? What do they really do? Okay, so that is going to be like my very top level, like number one strategy to do when it comes to content creation. Number two is go onto the search engines like Google, but I will even tell you that Pinterest is a search engine, and so is YouTube. Go into those search engines, type in the search bar certain keywords, key phrases related to your business, to the problems that you solve, maybe questions that people typically ask, and look to see what kinds of blogs come up, websites, articles, videos, and so forth, even pins from Pinterest. And those higher ranked results are going to be topics that are actually trending right now and that you should replicate in your own words, in your own style, in your own brand to use for you. So obviously you do not want to copy off somebody else, but you can use these ideas for inspiration. Number three is go into groups, communities inside the FB platform, ones that you know your ideal clients are hiding out in, they are asking questions in, they're engaging in, and then go into the search bar of those places, of those groups, those communities, and type in those keywords, key phrases related to your business. Maybe even type in a question, like social media marketing help, and see what conversations, meaning what posts, what comments, what threads pop up. The most recent are the ones that you probably want to take a look at, and just see what people are talking about. What questions are they asking? The best kinds of content to come up with are questions that your ideal clients are actually asking, because you know that that's what they are interested in knowing more about. Number 4 is to just ask. Ask your ideal clients, ask your community members if you have a group on FB, maybe in forums, ask questions, interview prospects, potential clients, even your current clients, interview them and say, hey, before you started working with me, what were you struggling with? What were your challenges with? Or if it's a lead or a prospect, if you had extra support in blank, how could this benefit you? So kind of do like some focus type interviews, and you will get lots of great content ideas from that. Number 5 is to go to other experts in your same industry. You can call them competitors. I just call them experts that do the same thing that you do. Or maybe those that are supportive experts that support your ideal clients, maybe not necessarily do the same things that you do. Check out their content, see what seems to be engaging most, and use that for inspiration. So I hope that this was helpful. I will see you next week, same time, same place. Until then, stay stylishly branded and social. Bye, guys.